Hello everybody, my name is Garnica and I will talk you about the globalization. First one I say, what is globalization? It's the process by which the world become increasingly interconnected, a result of massive increased trade and cultural exchange. Globalization has increased the production of goods and services. The biggest companies are no longer national firms, but multinational corporations with subsidiaries in many countries. Okay. The globalization has resulted in increased international trade. A company operating in more than one country, greater dependence of the global economy, freer movement of capital, goods and services, and recognition of companies such as McDonald's, Starbucks. Globalization in Colombia resulting in the modification of sharing that address the relationship of the national economy with the rest of the world. The dependence on a single export commodity such as coffee led to emergence of a diversified basket of goods and services exported, including sequential manufacturing, meaning products, for example, oil, coal, ferronickel and emeralds, and the agro-industrial goods, for example, flour, sugar, the effects on the environment through the globalization. Trade barriers are eliminated between different countries, as this triggers the emergence of an international market on global scale, which causes an increase the consumption of energy resources, result the transport between countries, where raw materials or manufacturers. This increases the consumption of energy resources, increase the emission of substances contaminate, primarily responsible for climate change and a global warming. Another effect of globalization in the environment is the forces the poorest countries to increase the exploitation of their resources, such as forest and fisheries resources, to meet demands imposed by growing number of consumers to need generate money to pay external debts to rich countries. Another fact is that in order to be more competitive in this global market, there are countries that reduce their environmental standards and companies to reduce their production cost, reduce this spending on environmental safety. The globalization promotes a free market, and this free market without any control or persuade is profit, and this goes against any environmental agreement whose propose the protection and conservation of the atmosphere. In conclusion, I consider where the globalization affects the environment, the best we can do is prevent further its growing. Thank you.